all those new pedagogies, all those transformative reforms which have been talked about. They may be new to some and some may be very well adept with them. So that is a sort of symbiotic relationship in which both the parties, it is a win-win situation. They come up, they share their knowledge, they handhold the mentees, they bring it up to certain level. This has to be seen how mentorship models have to be developed. In every situation, the models, a single model of mentorship won't work for the whole country because the type of schools, I was reading that there are 436 government schools in Puducherry and more than 730 schools which are of various managements in Puducherry. So different schools with diverse objectives, but one object is definitely the same, that is the holistic development of the child. And they have different objectives. With different objectives, they follow different strategies. Some schools emphasize on a language. Some schools emphasize on a different connotation altogether. Some want them to go for technical education. So every school functions with a motive in the mind. But definitely when we talk of holistic development, we require holistic practitioners, adept in skills, very well versed in those competencies. Now when I talk of competencies, again, I speak the 21st century competencies which are being talked about. We talk about the 4 C's, the collaboration, the cooperation, and so on and so forth. When we talk about them, what comes to our mind, that when we try to practice them in the classroom, our teachers often find the lack of time. Our teachers know those strategies, but they are not adept in practicing those strategies in the classroom on a regular basis. So when it comes, we need mentorship. I had 3 students who completed PhD under me on cooperative learning as a topic. But every time the feedback which came was that as a strategy, cooperative learning works better. But implementation of cooperative learning strategies in the classroom, be it at the primary elementary level, be it at the secondary level, has its own set of challenges for the teachers. And a very big constraint is the time. Another big constraint is the systems, a readiness to accept new strategies. So wherein it is where the mentors have to step in, tell them, see, a VC of a technical university telling about storytelling as a pedagogy. That rings bell in our heads everywhere. Where storytelling as a pedagogy can work in engineering classes, it can hold the attention of the children. Our small children, our school-going children, with them, this pedagogy is going to work wonders. So how to do it, when to do it, where to do it, what is the system, how mentoring can help, how can we pitch in the mentors. Madam was talking about an app. She was also talking about bringing school leaders into the system, spreading this word around, and getting mentors from all over the countries in different competencies for different purposes. We also have to look at how much time the mentors would be associated with the system. How long? It should happen that if a mentor comes, that you constantly take the mentor as a crutch, lean on him or her, and just you try to complete the journey, your educational journey, hand-holding the person till the end. A mentor, I perceive someone is that person who handholds you sometimes, pushes you to go on the top of the cliff, and if you are not ready to take the further journey, is also ready to push you down so that you reach to the goal yourself. So this is what Blue Book is all about. It has been talking, and I'm not going to share with you all the components, but definitely the different types of modes which could be followed in our classroom, addressing our diversity, taking into account the inclusivity of the classroom, the inclusivity of the system. We can have different modes. It could be one-to-one, it could be group mentoring, it could be peer-based mentoring, it could be flash mentoring. A little introduction and how it could be done. This is suggestive. I'm sure we are going to come out with further explanatory documents so that it has better acceptability And mentoring as a system is not only absorbed, it is absorbed by the teacher education system and the teachers, practicing teachers all over the country with equal elan, enthusiasm. Thank you very much. Namaskar and Jai.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much about explaining us about the Blue Book. Now, I will invite all the dignitaries to come forward to light the holy lamp which marks the dawn of enlightenment, the message of this program. Please. Thank you very much, one and all. Now, we will break for tea and then we will come back to continue with the session. I ask all the dignitaries, I request them to please have a cup of tea. We will practice in 10 minutes.
போய் அட்டன் பண்ணுன்னா அங்கே போய் பேசுங்க பேச மாட்டாங்க.